Hello, everyone, and welcome to our presentation. Our name is Fegem, and our team is as follows. The Scrum Master is myself, the product owner is Engin Deniz, the developers are Fadwa and Mohammed, and the marketing manager is Gülce Cansu. Our main problem that we found in the community is the inability to easily calculate monthly bill budget and the inexistence of a medium to calculate these bills automatically and set limits while calculating the usage. Our main goal was to create an app or a medium to unite both the problem and the customer's needs and wants, creating a friendly, easy-to-use user interface, and coding the CI while training it in order to successfully calculate the build and match it with the limits and the budget set by the user. And finally, we needed to contract with third-party apps such as Energeta, Agdash, or Iski. Our working agreement was that we would all be open to feedback. We would have teamwork with fair delegation of work, transparency, and open communication at all times. And on top of that, we were always building and maintaining the motivation within us. We also came up with a motto, which is affordable convenience. The services provided was a mobile application that operates with a CI, allowing the user to determine a budget for their monthly expenses. And all the customer has to do is determine the amount that they want to spend, and the application would be sending them notifications based on that. Now, my friend Fado is going to be explaining work types.
So the work to be done has been divided into 6 types: analyzing, designing, researching, software developing, marketing, and team building. And each task has been assigned to a specific team to ensure the goals are met. By collecting data of house expenses, feeding it to the CI, our products provides a better budget planning and offers financial solutions for our customer best interest. And this is our Canva, and it shows how it all started.
Okay, from now on, I will take the presentation from here, and I'll explain the user persona. Our user persona is the people who prefer, the people, especially families who prefer to keep their track of monthly expenses, such as electricity and water bills in their houses with minimum effort and all in one application. Our third sprint goal was to follow up the feedback given to us during the second sprint and adapt to it by focusing more on importantly and efficiently of the work being delivered to the customer and match their needs without compromising quality. The technologies we utilized in this project were collective intelligence, the internet, and software developments. And now my friend will go on with the rest of the presentation.
So here you can see our velocity chart. It shows our planned SP versus our actual SP. And as you can see that our actual SP exceeded our planned SP. Later on, we have the affinity estimation. Here we created the affinity table. The values are in hours, and below you can see the total times and the average cycle times.
I'll continue from here. So as you can see, this is the backlog. Basically, essentially, it is our to-do list. So we're creating the CI that will keep track of the user spending using third-party applications like Ikdash, like Iski, or any application that is connected to electricity or gas or water bills. And through the budgets that the users are going to enter into the application is going to be sending push notifications telling them you've spent 25% of the budget, 50% of the budget, 75%, and etc. until they reach their maximum budget. So it can help the users manage their budgets the best way possible. Can you please go to the next slide? Now, our retrospective actions, we've communicated with several users, and we've also utilized focus groups to kind of get feedback and understand more direct information and make changes based on the users' experiences. And we will be continuing to do that, of course, in the next sprints to keep improving our app. Thank you for attending our presentation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us.